Regional settings. Company. Change company settings. General settings. Regional settings. In this screen, you can set your regional settings. You can set quantity decimal places, value decimal places, hours decimal places, currency symbol, and date format. In date format, there are 3 formats. First one, DD, MM, YYY. In this format, date will display first, next month, after that year. Second option, YYY, MM, DD. In this format, system will display year first, month second, and date last. Third option, DD, YYY. In this format, system will display month first, date next, and year last. In this company, we have set 2 decimal places for quantity. In transactions, you can see there are 2 decimal places. If you want to increase the decimal places, for an example, if you want to display 3 decimal places, you can change decimal places. When you enter currency symbol, please do not enter any spaces or special characters in currency symbol. After change settings, you can save.